Welcome to another episode of Ask Sanjeev Mishra. Today's question is, I don't have enough money. Is it right to leave the 9 to 5 job and start an online business? If you are doing a 9 to 5 job and you are planning to start an online business or any kind of business, the first question which comes in mind is, do I have enough money? Am I financially secure? Now, what I believe is, if you are planning to become an entrepreneur, if you are planning to become your own boss or start a business, first thing is, you don't have to worry about money. If you are an entrepreneur, you will generate money. Okay, you will do that. There's no doubt about it. When you don't have money, you have time. If you don't have money, what you can do, you can start a business side by side. You can invest 2 hours or 3 hours, whatever time you are spending in something else, like watching TV or whatever activity you are doing where you are wasting some time. You can utilize that time and you can use that time to start your online business at the same time when you are doing 9 to 5 job. I'll be a bit blunt here. Don't use that excuse to not starting your business. If you want to start a business, you just want to start a business. It's not about leaving 9 to 5 job. It's not about committing 100%. You just want to start a business. The first thing is learn about business. That of course you can do by investing 1 hour or 2 hours whenever you are traveling, when you are reaching your office. You can read that. If you are traveling by bus, you can do that. So there you can read about how to start it. What is the procedure? If it requires some mentorship, then you can learn about it. And then you can spend 1 hour or 2 hours of your daytime. Whenever you find this 1 hour or 2 hours, you can spend it and you can just kickstart that business. Don't worry about leaving that 9 to 5 job. Of course, you are going to leave it, because if you will not do it, you will regret. So at some point of time, you are going to do that. If you are thinking about this, if you are watching this video. Now, it's about a good start. How you will do that good start. What you can do, what I would suggest is, go ahead and keep working on whatever job you are doing. Keep doing that for some time. And in the meantime, find 1 or 2 hours spare time and then invest that time in learning about the business, whatever business you want to start. Start that business. Once the setup is done, once you get your first customer, then you can think about leaving that 9 to 5 job. Now, that is another challenge. When you will leave 9 to 5 job, when you are starting a business while doing 9 to 5 job, that is about mentality. You have a job oriented mentality. Okay, that is the major challenge you will face. You have a job oriented mentality. So you need to shift your mentality from a 9 to 5 job employee to a boss, a self-employed person. That mindset shift will take time. Okay? And you will also find it challenging. That is why you need a mentor in that case. You need a person who will guide you how to do that shift. What are the requirements? What are the commitments? Whether you qualify for that or not, whether you are ready for that or not. See, becoming own boss or a thought of becoming an own boss is very lucrative. You are frustrated at your job because of your boss, because of the environment, because of the colleagues. Anything can cause this kind of situation. But the most important thing is, are you ready to become your own boss? Are you ready to become self-employed? Are you ready to invest that kind of effort? Are you ready to put that risk? Do you want that kind of situation in your life? Are you ready for it? You'll have to think about the negative things. I will not say negative things, because if somebody is passionate about their own work, it's not negative. Of course, I am ready to invest 16 hours or 18 hours on my work because this is my work. But these are some challenges where sometimes you may feel that, okay, my job was a bit hectic, but I was financially secure. Even I was able to give some time to my family. These were some positive part of your job. Now you are going to start your own thing, then you will have to invest more time. You will have to think about balancing time. You'll have to think about investing or putting more effort on your business. You'll have to think about the situation, how to balance your family life and work, because you really love your work. At the same time, you have to balance it. Nobody is there to guide you. Nobody is there to hit you. Okay? Nobody is there to hit you for both the scenarios. Nobody is there to hit you whether you go and do your work, because you are your own boss. So there, self-discipline and task management, priorities, these things will start playing roles. So are you ready for it? These are the other challenges. Of course, money is not going to be a challenge. Because if you are an entrepreneur, you will generate money. You will do that. That's a part of entrepreneurship, right? We will work on an idea, we will generate money, we invest money, and then we will keep the game going. That is what we do as an entrepreneur, right? So don't worry about money part. You'll have to think whether you are ready. If you have money, are you ready to invest physical effort? Are you ready to put everything aside and just focus on your work? And even if that is not paying at start, are you ready to invest hours on that? So that is what you need to ask yourself. And once you get the answer as yes, of course you can go ahead and leave the job, put 100% of your effort, or increase your effort on your own business. That you can do. So once you are ready mentally, you can do that. Don't worry about the money part. You will generate it. There are so many opportunities available online. You just have to learn about things. You have to be prepared when you are leaving the job. So don't just take any risk. Take calculated risk. Make sure that you know what you are doing. Make sure that you have ideas, you have learned, you got the mentorship, you got the connections where people are ready to help you, and they are ready to teach you, they are ready to monitor you, whatever activities you are doing, and out of that you will either make money or you will have some experiences. So don't just think about quitting your job. Think about whether you are prepared if you will quit the job. Have you invested time in yourself? Have you invested in learning new techniques? Whatever is required for the business, go and check that out. All right. So thanks once again for watching this video. If you like this video, click on the like button. Share this video with friends, family who is thinking about leaving their job and like to start their own business. Let them know about these challenges. Let them see what are the things required to start a business, and how they can shift their job mentality to a boss mentality. Looking forward to see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.